Okay, so we've got Jessica and Autumn here from Year 5 who've both been nominated to get an Infinity Award this year. And Jessica's is for showing ambition in her spelling this year, which she's worked really hard at. And Autumn is for showing ambition in her reading that she's been working really hard at. So they've both got a little Infinity badge each. So everyone give them a round of applause. Well done. So we've got all of the children here in Year 6 that have been nominated for an Infinity Award this year, and they've been all showing all of the different core concepts in lots of different ways, from handing money in that they have found that didn't belong to them but doing the right thing, showing integrity by standing up for what they believe in, and working really hard and showing lots of ambition. So we've got Oliver Coates, well done. We've got Edwin Davis, and Indiana Porter, and Brooke, Logan, Daisy, Caitlin, Hetty, Grayson, and Hugo. Grace has already got hers. Can we give them all a big round of applause, please? We've got Kim Bagley, who's wear with pride this year. Well done.
Well done, everybody. Well done, guys.
Okay, so in Year 7 we've got Casey and Emily who've both been showing, well, lots and lots of our different core concepts. So Emily's been nominated for writing a beautiful letter to all of the Year 4 pupils and then visiting all of them before they came to school. And Casey's been nominated because she's always kind, she's always showing good etiquette, and she works really hard at home and at school. So well done both of you. Can you give them a round of applause, please? Okay, so in Year 8 we have got Alex and Ryan here, who've both been nominated because of the ambition they've shown in planning and modifying and improving this amazing project that they started at school and have carried on working really, really hard on. So well done both of you, Alex and Ryan. We've got Violet, who was nominated for showing pretty much all of our Oakfield core concepts with her incredibly detailed work across all of her different subjects that she completed, especially while she was at home. So well done. And lastly, we've got Neve, who was nominated by a member of staff. She always takes time to check in and make sure that person's okay and really spots if their mood has not been a bit low that day. She's just there to perk her up and make them feel better. So well done, Neve. Fantastic work. Round of applause, please. Fantastic, well done. To Gary today, that Ryan and Alex are going to present.
Oh, way. Thanks, guys.
It's by supporting the Oakfield community to highlight people showing citizenship, always go into the extra.
Oh, way. Thank you, guys.
A big round of applause for Gary, everyone.
That's awesome.
Okay, so Ryan has been nominated to get an Infinity Award this year, and that is for showing really good morals and ethics at all times. So Ryan, whenever he sees me carrying a box that's too heavy or struggling because all of the speakers have fallen off the shelf in the classroom, Ryan is always the person that offers to help. So well done, Ryan. There's your certificate and your badge that you can wear with pride. Well done. Thank you. Okay, so Mrs. Mallon and Miss Pike have both been nominated and are going to be winning an Infinity Award today. So Miss Pike has been nominated by Zayn in her tutor group because she is always kind and helpful to her tutor group.
Oh, nice one.
And there's your badge.
Thank you.
And Miss Mallon, I've left your badge over there, so I'll get it in a moment. But you've been nominated by this wonderful team here, and particularly Mrs. Green, because you are an asset to the Year 5 team, and you're always willing to go the extra mile. No job is too big, and she's very entertaining. So well done to you! Okay, so Mr. Walker has been nominated for an Infinity Award today by his tutor group. It says that he shows great morals and ethics and pride. He's always kind and helpful and is a great role model to all of his students. So well done.
Thanks very much.
You can wear that badge with pride.
Thank you.
Welcome. And Mrs. Bryan has been nominated by her Year 16 because she shows all of the core concepts all of the time. So she's been an amazing support to them this year through a really tough year. So well deserved. Well done. Okay, so Mrs. Applegate and Miss McAlpine have both been awarded an Infinity Award this year, and this has come from FLG, who have nominated them for really looking after them and supporting them all this year. So you've both got a little Infinity pin badge to wear with pride. Well done.
Well guys, this is by far the most favourite thing that I do within my job. Okay? Every year we set up the Citizenship Award programme with Oakfield because we wanted to recognise the amazing work that young people do within our communities, and you guys have all gone the extra mile. You've all done something really amazing. So it's our pleasure that myself and this is Stephen. Stephen's my boss. We're going to be presenting you guys today with all of the work that you do. Okay, so India and Willow, congratulations. You created a nature garden to cheer up your neighbours and everything. It's a really nice thing to do. This was during lockdown when everybody needed cheering up. So it's a wonderful thing to do, and we'd like to present you with these awards. Congratulations. Congratulations, well done. Also, Gracie, you must be Gracie. Gracie, your class nominated you for always being kind and always being helpful to everyone. That's pretty amazing. And that's something that people will remember you for a very, very long time. So congratulations, you've received a Citizenship Award. And then finally, but by no means least, Hugo. Hugo, people have told me great things about you. And I know that you've dealt with a few tricky situations in school, and you've dealt with it in a very sensitive way and a very mature way. And that's phenomenal. That's going to help you so much throughout life. So well done. I'd like to present you with the shield, overall winner of the Citizenship Award. Congratulations.